Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So today I wanted to talk about 2022 winter trends. I think that's all. Let's just get into it. So the first trend I have written down that I actually talked about already on my channel are fur jackets. We're seeing so much more fur and I think it's really cute and practical for the winter time. The thing is about this is you want to buy any fur jacket secondhand, whether it is real or faux fur, buying them secondhand, because faux fur is super unsustainable because it's just made out of plastic if you buy it firsthand, and then also real fur firsthand is just gross. Secondhand all the way. My grandma had 2 fur jackets and I stole them from her. I'm obsessed. They are so warm in the winter time. I love, you know, dressing them up for like a dinner or a holiday party or something like that with tights and a dress and heels or knee-high leather boots, things that make sense. But I also love them in this like grunge Tumblr girl aesthetic that is definitely coming back. Old Loser in Brooklyn on TikTok talked about it so long ago, but you know, wearing it in that type of way with a pair of jeans and sneakers and a white t-shirt, and you just like throw on your fur jacket and big sunglasses, so cute. Also love it in a Jane Birkin way with a Birkin basket that makes no sense. I just love the fur jacket in a way that makes no sense. So I'm very excited to wear mine this winter. It's literally November 3rd and it is 70 degrees outside, so I just can't even imagine wearing it anytime soon. But the next trend kind of goes with this, and that's shearling, or like teddy coat, fleece, whatever. I've been seeing so much shearling pop up, whether it is in coat and like leather jackets and having this kind of like little lining peek out, or seeing it in accessories, in purses or in boots with the little lining peek out. Shearling, again, just makes sense in the winter time. It keeps you so warm. You can get shearling, I don't know how to say it, in black or like a tan color. So like tan would go with like a suede and black could go with leather. Super cute. Again, there's faux shearling and real shearling. I didn't even know that. I thought all shearling was fake, but you guys, I'm stupid. Here's that. I don't know if I will be participating in the shearling trend. I like a fleece like zip up, and I've kind of been on the hunt for one of those, but I'm thinking more of a fleece than a shearling. Yeah, but if you've got your IMG teddy coat, whip them out. It's time to bring them back. I gave mine to my cousin. I wonder if I can steal it back. The next winter trend I have on my list are giant purses. Again, this is something I've talked about a bit on my channel, but the purses are just growing, and a few of you guys pointed it out in the comments that it's kind of that anti-fashion. So we've been looking at really small bags, micro bags, shoulder bags, and you know, the next thing to come in is just the exact opposite, and that's what always happens. It's like people are bored and they want to be the first ones on the new thing. So it's like, what can we make happen next? Oh, we've been loving small bags. Well, I'm gonna bring back big bags. And yeah, that's kind of the whole idea. But I love it. Who doesn't like carrying around more stuff? I love it. And I like that these giant bags are in like every shape and size. I more so like a hobo, like a slouchy kind of bag, and whether that is a shoulder bag or crossbody, but definitely structured bags are a thing too. I have a few actually, structured bags. And I feel like structured bags were also all the rage, and now we're getting more into slouchy, but I like both, and I like that both can still be worn. So the next thing I have is actually something I saw on Vogue and them talk about it, and it made sense to me. So they called it return of the waist. So even though I don't necessarily like that, because you guys know I love my baggy clothes, but who knows, maybe postpartum when I have a waist again, I'll want to show it off. It's kind of just the idea that we're seeing things a little bit more tight at the waist, cinched at the waist, whether it's dresses or tops. So in the summer, I said baby doll tops were coming in, but I hate to admit this, I kind of just said that because I was pregnant and I was trying to hide my pregnancy for as long as possible. So I was wearing baby doll tops and I was like, oh, they're trending. Like it's a trend, you guys. Kinda, but also I was just trying to hide my pregnant belly. So I'm a fraud. But the baby doll top, you know, just seeing the like scrunch drop down a little bit to the waist, and it is kind of a peplum, but I'm gonna try and find photos here where it is a peplum, but it's not, and it is really cute. I love these like white blousey type tops, so I don't know, I like it. Even though I like baggy clothes, I like this. I think return of the waist top in kind of a peplum, like still baggy, poofy style with like a baggy pair of jeans, low-waisted. It's cute. Definitely right up my alley, mixing that like masculine, unflattering, baggy baggy jean with a super feminine, flattering top. I like it. Next thing, I kind of touched on this in a past video, but it's chainmail. Chainmail is expensive. I don't understand why, because I've tried to get my hands on some and it's just like not happening. But it's kind of this like statement metallic is coming in, whether that's like little purses of chainmail or more like a sequins, like metal. I'm gonna put some things here, like metal mesh. I don't know how to describe it, type material. And I think it's really, really cute to pair that with like a very toned down outfit as a purse. But I think also this kind of like chainmail is like a mesh type top. We saw so much mesh the past couple seasons, like mesh tops, mesh long sleeves tops, whether they were printed or just a little bit see-through or whatever. And it's just basically the same thing, but in a different material. I don't think I would get one unless I like thrifted it, a chainmail top. I just don't really know where I'd be wearing that. And the last thing I have on my list are cuffed jeans. I have been a hater of cuffed jeans since like 2016 when we all used to cuff our skinny jeans, but now we're seeing it with like wide leg baggy jeans and people just like doing one big cuff at the bottom. And I think it's cute. I think it's very petite, short girl friendly. You know, you go to Zara and your jeans are past your toes, you can just cuff them up and it is a trend. And then when it goes out, just go get your jeans hemmed. There's that. Like how, I don't know. It's so easy. It's like if you just already have jeans that are too long, it's a super easy trend to try out. And that's what I kind of like, are like trends that we don't necessarily have to go out and buy something new. It's just using things in your closet or looking at things in your closet in a different way. I feel like that was kind of quick. I didn't really have much to say about these trends, but hopefully I inspired you or got you excited about winter 2022 trends. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.